Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Chlorine content, mass percent, is calculated as number of Cl atoms times 35.5, molecular weight times 100. Moving on to the next step. Identify each compound and its molecular formula. Irene, C16H10, contains no chlorine atoms. Chlorine content is equal to 0%. DDT, C14H9Cl5, molecular weight is equal to 14, 12, plus 9, 1, plus 5, 35.5, is equal to 168 plus 9 plus 177.5 is equal to 354.5. Chlorine content is equal to 177.5 354.5 times 150.07%. Chloral, CCl3CHO, C2H1Cl3O, molecular weight is equal to 2, 12, plus 1, 1, plus 3, 35.5, plus 16 is equal to 24 plus 1 plus 106.5 plus 16 is equal to 147.5. Chlorine content is equal to 106.5 147.5 times 172.2%. Gamaxine, BHC lindane C6H6Cl6, molecular weight is equal to 6, 12, plus 6, 1, plus 6, 35.5, is equal to 72 plus 6 plus 213 equals 291. Chlorine content is equal to 213 by 291 times 173.2%. Moving on to the next step. Compare chlorine percentages. Pyrene 0%. DDT tilde 50.07%. Chloral tilde 72.2%. Gamaxine tilde 73.2%. And for the final step, Gamaxine, C6H6Cl6, has the highest chlorine content at approximately 73.2%. Why other options fail? Pyrene has no chlorine at all. DDT has only tilde 50% chlorine content. Chloral has tilde 72.2% chlorine, which is close but slightly less than Gamaxine. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.